Welcome to the Hot Wheels Boulevard ranking. Today, we're going to rate the best and worst releases from the brand new Car Culture Boulevard series from our personal point of view. So feel free to tell us your own personal favorite. Let's get started with the worst release. We have the 77 Pontiac Firebird TA here. It's a typical peg warmer, as this car doesn't really have any collector's value. The model is unlikely to serve as a source of spare wheels either, as they don't look particularly attractive. At least in chrome, it would have been really cool. As it is, it's simply a recolor of the legendary second generation Trans Am driven by Burt Reynolds in Smokey and the Bandit. There are also a few examples of this color combination in real life. However, we're not really warming to this release at all, unfortunately. The next model is the 94 Nissan Primera as a typical JTCC Super Touring race car based on the original. If you want an accurate model, you can also check out N064, which features all the sponsors and decals as the original livery. However, there are some important details here, including the main sponsor Castrol, the beautiful green color, and the Nismo sticker. In 1994, the Nismo racing team competed with this car and finished 6th in the championship. A cool casting that already has a recolor in blue, but in general, overall, the green one in Castrol style is our favorite. We think the 6th release, a recolor of the Mitsubishi Pajero Evo, is a step up. This color combination was available as a mainliner in a slimmed down, easier form in 2023 and has been given an even better showcase here. The black Aura wheels fit perfectly, the prints are spot on, and blend in superbly with the overall look. We already became fans during the Super Treasure Hunt in orange, and also with the previous premium release in red with lots of details. A great exotic that has received another superb update. That's why it's one of our favorites. Even better is this Mercedes-Benz 500 SLC Rally, a quite successful model in rally sport and a brand new release by Hot Wheels too. As a rally fan, this casting is a must-have, because Mercedes tried its hand at rallying with it and was previously better known for circuit racing. What's more, you can still see this model at hill climbs today, reminding us of those great times. Here as well, the details are perfect, whether at the rear, front, or sides. Incidentally, the two designers have immortalized themselves as drivers, a top favorite for us through and through. Last but not least, our absolute highlight, the 95 Lamborghini Diablo SV. At first, there were rumors that this model would be released as Need for Speed Hot Pursuit, together with the Ferrari F50, which is also being reissued by Hot Wheels. Both would have been a key feature of the game from '99. What's more, a similar Diablo can be seen on the cover. The old Lamborghini release as a mainliner from '94 shows just how mega this reissued Diablo is and how much they have improved 31 years later. Absolutely perfect from front to back. For us, a dream car from our childhood. This model is simply an absolute must-have for any collection and by far the best release of this wave. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. As always, thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any more videos on our channel. Happy collecting and stay safe. Cheers.